All right, here I am in Connecticut, and apparently a lot of the locals say that this little place here has the best chicken nuggets or chicken cutlets or whatever in the state of Connecticut. Well, let's find out. Here's the little hole in the wall. It's called Weathersfield Pizza House, home of the chicken cutlets. Let's go in and we'll see. All right, got my order. Chicken cutlet parmesan.
No, not really.
All the others got pizza. My boy, he got a sandwich, chicken sandwich. Let's check this out. Just got a regular 10-inch pizza. There's the chicken parm. The missus already took some. Let's go over and check out his sandwich. That's a half. There's my hand. That's a half. He's eating the other half. He recommended it. How is it?
Colors are good.
Yeah.
Colors are good.
All right. Well, I'm going to go dig into mine. You like your pizza?
It's hot.
It's hot?
Yeah.
Well, it's supposed to be hot.
It'll burn my tongue. If
Oh,
I do
okay.
that.
All right, let's check this out, shall we? That's good. Way to go. Good call. Nice little place. Just in a little strip mall. The owner's name's Steve. Come in, check him out. All right, I'm gonna finish this up. That's good. Hey, if you're in the area of Weathersfield, it's just outside of Hartford, Connecticut. Weathersfield Pizza House. Come in, check it out. Stephen, the owner, really nice guy. Pleasant, good service, good food. If you're in the area, come on, check it out. You really have to experience this for yourself. All right? So, with that said, hey, folks, I'm out of here. This is another adventure in Connecticut.